Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about one more exciting feature of Eazybe known as Google Sheet, in which we can integrate our Google Sheet directly to our WhatsApp web. But before starting the video, let us understand why Eazybe provided this feature to connect Google Sheet to WhatsApp and why this feature is born. So as we all know, Google Sheet is just like Excel, but it provides a real-time collaboration and changes. It can be shared with anyone and the changes will be visible to each and everyone. So this is our WhatsApp and Eazybe extension is already installed in it. So where we can find Google Sheet, just go to integration option inside tools and click on it. You will see a Google Sheet option here. So it's showing connected because I have already connected my Google Sheet to our Google account. But if you have not connected, it will show a connect option. You just have to click on it and sign in with Google. After signing in, you will see a Google Sheet option here. So just click on it and it's loading. You will see create contact option will appear here, so I can just create a contact and it will connect my WhatsApp of this contact to our Google Sheet. I can also see that contact in sheet where I have to click on view in sheet and it will open the sheet we have made. So these are our sheets and this is the newly contact added here, and also it's showing that I have assigned all these contacts. So these are the simple steps by which we can directly upload the details of our contact from WhatsApp to our Google Sheet.